have reached the end of my little tutorial on grade 3 violin scales. Okay, brilliant work so far. Today we're going to concentrate on something called dominant sevenths and technical exercises. We've got 2 of those to get through. So we're going to jump straight into it, okay? The first thing we're going to do is dominant seventh in the key of G starting on D. So listen to that name first of all. Dominant seventh in the key of G starting on a D. Key of G means you end on a G. Starting on a D means you start on a D. So you have a lot of information there already. Okay, here's what it sounds like. Okay, you did G major scale for grade 2 if you've done your grade 2, which I think most of you have. So these are all notes you kind of already know, all right? It's just to remember what order they come in. So, first of all, we're going to talk you through what the notes are. We got D, then F sharp, change to A string, open A, squash 2, C natural, and then another D, and then backwards with the same notes, apart from the very end, which is a G, third finger. Okay, good, got that. I'm going to talk you through the finger pattern as well. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then backwards, same. Just remember to end on a 3. Okay, there you've got it. G dominant seventh starting on a D. Dear. Really remember the squash 2. That's important. Okay, your C natural. Moving swiftly on, my friends, to dominant seventh in the key of A starting on an E. So if you listen to the name, we start on an E and it's in the key of A, so we're going to end on an A. Okay, this is what this particular one sounds like. Great. We're going to go through what the notes are. We got E, and we got a nice stretch G sharp. Important to remember. Then we got a B, and then we got a third finger, a D, and then we got an E. Then the same notes going back. D, B, G sharp, and end on that A. Okay, and the finger pattern we have on the D, 1, then a nice stretch 3, change to A, 1, normal 3, change to E, no fingers, then backwards, same fingers, 3, 1, change to D, nice stretch 3, and the change is that we end on an A. Okay, good. Take your time, rewind many times, write things down. Okay, but I think you will get this. I'm sure you will. Okay, great. Moving on. Technical exercises. We got 2 of those. We got one called Chromatic Phrase and the other one called double stops, octaves, 6 and thirds. Okay, we're going to start with Chromatic Phrase. Very easy. So it's all on the D string and it sounds like this. Okay, easy peasy. We're going to go through it slowly, and we start with the third finger on the D, then go backwards to an open D, then we got an E flat, E natural, think about it like this, if you got stickers, and also if you haven't got stickers, we got 3, non, squashy 1, and then normal 1, squashy 2, normal 2, and then just a normal 3. Yeah. So if you got stickers, this is how you can think about it. 1 before your sticker, on your sticker, before your sticker, on your sticker, and on your sticker. Okay, got that? Chromatic phrase. Okay, moving on. Okay, to the last thing that we do, and that is double stops, octave, 6th, and 3rd. Okay, we're gonna break it down in segments. Okay, so the first one is this. You have an open D and a 3rd finger on the A D, and you slur them. And then you play your 3rd finger on the A D and your open D together. Like a double stop, like you've been doing for loads of things before as well, but definitely for your technical exercise for both grade 1 and grade 2. So the first bit, D, slurring to high D, 3rd finger D, and then 3rd finger D and open D together. Okay, right, take your time, write that down. You can pause me, you know. I'm gonna move on. Now I want you to find your F sharp on the D string, 2nd finger, and then you're gonna slur that to the same note as we had before at the top, 3rd finger on the A string. Now leave those two fingers down. So I want you to leave the 2 down, and I want you to leave the 3 down, and just play them together. Yeah. So we got 2 on the D string, F sharp, 3rd finger on the A string again, and then just leave them 2 down and play them together. Okay, let's play those 2 bits together. So we have and high D, and then just play them together. Now F sharp, 2nd finger on the D string, to your 3rd finger on the A string, leave the fingers down and play them together. And then we have easier, still 2nd finger on the D string, but now I just want you to slur it to your open A string, still going like this. Leave your 2 down and play it together with your open A string. So you have got Okay, let's play all those 3 segments together. We got leave your fingers down. Again, leave your fingers down. And now find your 3rd finger on the A and play it together with your open D. Okay, so we have got all technical skills that you have learned previously. Okay, brilliant. We're at the end of this now. Just a little thing I would like to cover before I go and let you practice. Okay, I want to talk about how to slur your scales and your arpeggios. Okay, so slurring of the scales for grade 3, you can slur them in pairs. Okay, so slur them in pairs. So that just means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Yeah, and my my trick to remember is to think silently as you play. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and so on. And each bow stroke should contain a set of 1, 2. Okay, let's talk about how to slur an arpeggio, which is new information. In that, we need to be able to fit 3 notes in one slur, so we want to go 1, 2, 3 in our heads when we play it. So for instance, if we take maybe E flat major arpeggio, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and last note is separate. So for scales, slur 2 and 2, think 1, 2, and then for arpeggios, think 1, 2, 3. Brilliant! Great! Hope you stuck with me through my 5 videos on your scales. Rewind, rewatch, pause, and hopefully you're gonna find this useful. Thank you very much. I'll be back soon.